Ununtrium is a radioactive synthetic element created and found only in laboratories like this one. First discovered in Russia and later confirmed in Japan, Ununtrium will receive an official name from Japan to replace its current systematic name. At the bottom of the boron group, Ununtrium has a high metallic character and a lower non-metallic character. Within the group, Ununtrium has the highest electronegativity and electron affinity, contradicting the periodic trends. Since Ununtrium is 1 electron short from having a full 7p orbital, it has a high tendency to attract another electron. Additionally, Ununtrium has a melting point of 430 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 1100 degrees Celsius. Ununtrium is produced by particle accelerators in which zinc nuclei collide into a thin layer of bismuth. The most stable Ununtrium isotope has a half-life of 20 seconds. It decays by shedding alpha particles consisting of 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Ununtrium is able to form compounds of monohydride and monofluoride in which bonding is provided by Ununtrium 7p orbital electron.